Hi and welcome back to the channel. Okay, so today we're going to be looking at Passenger. Straightforward chords. It's got an A minor, it's got a F, what I call a half F, a C to a G, an A minor to an F to a C, then finishes on an E. And that alternates between the E and the G. And then you're going to be looking at the strum, which it has a swing groove. So you got just 1, A2, A3, A4, A1, A2. Straight would be 1 and 2 and 3 and 4. Swing 1, A2, A3, A4. So the pulse doesn't actually alter. It's the divisions between the pulse that actually give the effect of a swing. So when you're doing your first chord, you're going to be moving every half a bar. So you're going to say start on A minor. So it goes 1, A2, and 3, and 4, and 1, and 2, and 3, and 4, and 1, and 2, and C, E, A minor, C, G, A minor, F, C, E. So you want to not emphasize beats 1 and 3. The mainstay of the song. There is some variations within the song if you play it through, but if you played A minor, F, C, G, A minor, F, C, E, you wouldn't be going far wrong with the song. As I say, there are little bits within the song where it alters, but you probably wouldn't notice. You have to kind of look at it really quite closely to notice those points. Okay, so don't forget, you can leave a comment in the comment section if you'd like me to look at something or you'd like me to learn something that you're interested in. Like and subscribe, ring the bell, and we'll see you next time.